Therefore, he is ultimately what what instigates his action of creation is avidya. That is, he is activated into act of creation by the avidya of the jivas. He has got his own samarthya. Samarthya is there, but he has no motivation. Motivation is coming from jiva's avidya. In jiva's case also there is the same thing. He has got the samarthya of prakriti. He has no motivation. Motivation comes from avidya. Similarly, in our case also, for doing any activity whatsoever, the samarthya is coming from prakriti. Is it clear? The whole body is prakriti. Prana prakriti. Karmendriya, Jnanendriya, Mana, Buddhi, Chinta, Atma, Prana, everything is prakriti only. Beyond this, I don't have any other samarthya. Therefore, all the samarthas I am having is only of the prakriti. Okay. Though it is like that, what I say is, I do, I want. Okay. That is Shuddha Vidya. Therefore, Shastra itself, I want to do, I want to, that is Ahankara. Ahankara means avidya sayuktam avyaktam. It has been told. You remember that? Avidya sayuktam avyaktam means what? Avyaktam is the samadhyam. Avidya is ignorance. The two taken together will give the feeling, I want to do, I am me. Suppose there is only avidya, no samarthya, nothing can happen. Ahankara cannot come. Okay. If there is no samarthya, if there is samarthya, there is no avidya, you can't do it. Therefore, Ishvara by himself without avidya, he can't create. Jiva without avyaktam, I can't create. Therefore, both of us are responsible for creation. I with my desire and he with his samarthya. Avidya sayuktam avyaktam. Is it clear? Now see. Bolo. सापेक्षो ईश्वरः विषमां सृष्टिं निर्मिमीते किम् अपेक्षते धर्माधर्मो अपेक्षते अतः सृज्यमान प्राणी धर्माधर्मापेक्षा विषमा सृष्टि विषमा सृष्टि is unequal सृष्टि. Unequal, the external jagat is not unequal, it is counter of all. Inequality comes only in the bodies and intellects, indriyas and all. Okay. Why is there? Because it is coming according to dharma. I have done more dharma, I have done only very good dharma. Oh, my body will be perfect, only clear mind and all that. That is Devata. If I have done only adharma, I may become some low creature. If there is a mixture of dharma and adharma, then I will be biological human being. Therefore, according to the performed dharma and adharma, we get different bodies. This is like in any other office. Depending on the karma you do, you are getting your salary money. Therefore, Nayam Ishvarasya Aparadaha. If Ishvara has done unequal srishti, it is not the fault of Ishvara. The fault is of dharma. Okay? Then he says, सर्ववेदान्तेषु च ईश्वरहेतुका एव सृष्टयो व्यपदिश्यन्ते तदेव च ईश्वरस्य फलहेतुत्वं यत् स्वकर्मानुरूपाः प्रजाः सृजति. That is, ईश्वरहेतुका एव. It is only by Ishvara who is Nimitta Karna, who is doing all this. But he does it sapeksha. That is relative to something else. What is that something? It is the dharma of jivas. Only relative to that he does it. Okay? Now, एताः कलाः प्राणिनां अविद्यादिदोषबीजापेक्षया सृष्टाः. All these things are avidyadidoshabíjapeksha. Avidyadi means avidya, karma, etc. Because of what he is doing. Okay? Therefore, what does it show? As far as Ishvara is concerned, he is having samarthya, no motivation, no vidya. As far as jivas are concerned, they are having only motivation but no samarthya. It is like Andabhamunyaya. You know Andabhamunyaya? It is, one is lame and the other is blind. And both of them want to live happily. So what they do is, the blind man, the lame man sits on the shoulders of the blind man. Okay. He says, no, don't go in that direction. Come this side. Come this side, come this side. So he will direct and he will act. Both of them together they will get Bhiksha. This is Andhapamunya. Okay. Of course, it doesn't completely apply here. That is, Ishvara and Jiva together, they are responsible for the creation of the universe. Okay? Now, next we have got the
Jiva is Jiva is Chaitanya, right?
Jiva is Chaitanya. Jiva, in his Swarupa is Chaitanya, but is Chaitana. See, Chaitana and Chaitanya are different. Note it carefully. Chaitanya is the Swarupa of Atma, Pratyagatma. In its proximity, in its nearness, Buddhi acts, Buddhi works, knowing things. So, the activity of Buddhi, which happens only in the presence of Chaitanya, is called Chaitana. That is, the activity of Chaitanya, Buddhi, is called Chaitana. Have you understood now? The example given is the following. There is fire. If you keep an iron ball there, iron will also become like fire. The same appeal also becomes right. Okay. Similarly here, it imitates as if it is Chaitana. It looks as though it is Chaitanya. It looks as though it is Chaitanya. Okay. But really Chaitanya is the Atman and Chaitanatva is the Buddhi. The two are not the same. You have anything to ask for a few minutes? Incidentally, tomorrow there is told some cycle. Therefore, it may be difficult for you to come and go.
When the Harta is there, scooter and all, maybe they don't stop.
No. Some people have to come by bus or something like that.
Bus will not be.
Only one bus.
Only one is also important for us. Okay. Therefore, tomorrow we'll have no plan. Okay? Bolo.
श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयम् करुणालयम् नमामि भगवत्पादम् शङ्करम् लोकशङ्करम् शङ्करम् शङ्कराचार्यम् केशवम् बादरायणम् सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः।